Making my girl's hair can be a real adventure sometimes. A mix of pleading, bribing, and convincing just to get them to sit still. Yeah. But funny enough, once their hair is done, you will see them flaunting it like queens. Yes, they do that a lot. So, on this day, I decided to go for something simple yet protective. A hairstyle that will keep their hair safe and healthy while still looking beautiful. I'm really focusing on grooming their hair properly, so I always choose styles that are gentle on the scalp and help with growth. So watch till the end and see some of the hustle that goes into getting these beautiful results. Hope you enjoy watching. Happy Sunday. Bye. No, I don't want. Hang on, there's a piece missing. Right there. I know. I can't remember where it came from. I think it might have been the one in my stitch bag. The one Carter stole. You don't need JD. I do. That was my whole plan.
This next superstar needs no introduction, but we'll do.
I'm glad you're safe. I'm sorry, Cumulo. I always need your help.
Yeah, me too. We missed you, Cumulo.
Come on, Cumulo. That's Rocky. Do you want to go even faster? Super huge, totally on purpose birthday cake. You should have.
On your this side with them that. Someone show them.